To view your payment history on Stripe, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the Stripe dashboard to access your transaction records. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Before changing your settings, use the Azure.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Stripe dashboard. This is where you can manage all aspects of your account, including payments. Step 3. Access the Payments section. On the left-hand menu, find and click on the Payments option. This section contains all the transactions processed through your Stripe account. Step 4. Filter your payment history. In the Payments section, you can use filters to narrow down your search. You can filter by date range, status, or payment method to find specific transactions. Step 5. Review transaction details. Click on any payment entry to view detailed information. This will show you the transaction amount, date, customer details, and any associated fees. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your payment history on Stripe. If you have any further questions, consider checking Stripe support resources for more detailed assistance.